your girl Andrea back with another video. I decided to do a eyeliner tutorial today. I had posted a picture a little while back on my Snap, I believe, and a couple people had messaged me. They're like, how do you get your eyeliner like that? And I was like, oh, let me just, I'll actually make a video on that. It's probably gonna be like 2 minutes long, but whatever. Check it out, let me know what you think. But before I start, I've been using this Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner for the last 2 months. Bomb, it doesn't go anywhere. And so the day that I decide to actually record using it, it dries out on me. And I'm still posting this damn video, okay? So check it out, let me know what you think. It is a bit raggedy, but okay, let me live, bruh. A look for y'all using it. It's kind of dried out, so I'm just gonna attempt to use it, and then if not, I'll just use my backup. Here's my pup. She's so, oh my god, she's a spoiled freaking brat. Like, she wants me to hold her and baby her. Like, she's literally like a legit baby. It's like so annoying. She cries and whines and stuff. So if you hear her in the background, this is not animal abuse. It's just I'm trying to record a video and she just wants to be held because she's spoiled. So don't mind her. Say hello, Cookie. Okay, now bye now, mama. I'll see you later. Okay, so really quick and just kind of go over step by step. My eyeliner has gotten like super thick over the last couple of months, and I'm comfortable with that look. I like thick eyeliner. It just, it just speaks to my soul. So anyway, here we go. So let me make sure that I'm in frame because I am not recording this again. Okay, there we go. So what you want to do is let's make sure we got some liquid here, and then so we're gonna flick it back, flick the line back like so. And it doesn't have to be like super dark because we're gonna fill everything in, but we just gotta get at least the like the shape of the eyeliner first, if that makes sense. Oh shit. Because my eyeliner, let me put the top on right quick while I'm talking. So because like I have like extra meat like right here on my eye, like you have to be careful around this part. So I'm gonna show you like what to do, like if you have hooded eyes, so it can still look good like while your eyes open, if that makes sense. So okay. Of this line and connect what we already have drawn on there, so you see, and then just fill in that little space. And I mean, it's not so, like, the fact that it's dry, like it's drier, it kind of gives you like room to not make a mistake because it's dry as hell or whatever. So okay, so now this is getting on my nerves. So I'm about to switch to Stila waterproof eyeliner. I mean, this is still good, but I kind of wanted to use Smashbox because it's like my fave, but whatever. And so with this, you have to not really drag so much, because if you do with the liquid eyeliner, it'll pick up product, which will dry out the brush like a lot sooner than you want. So you just pat to fill it in. Like, don't paint with this because it's gonna get dry as hell. Okay, so there we go. The only thing that I would really make a correction to is like this part, to kind of straighten it out. And then make this a little bit more sharper. So yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna attempt to do the other side. So then you just swoop it back like so. Come on. Oh no. So you really just want to get the shape down, and then we'll find something else to fill it in with, since it's acting a fool right now. Wing a little bit. Okay, so I just added some lashes, random lashes from Amazon. They're like super cheap. I'm wearing 2 pairs of them. I'll put the link below. But yeah, so this is pretty much how it looks with my thick ass liner. I'm literally getting ready to leave the house like this, head wrapped up in everything. So I'll put pics on the end, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and also comment what you want to see from me next, and I will see you in my next video.